Hi, if you're looking for an amazing YouTube marketing course that gets results, you're in the right place. My name's Les Blythe and I've been a professional copywriter and marketer online since 2011. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about a marketing course which I'm using, which has been successful for me right now, and talk about some of the things you need to think about if you're seriously considering marketing online using YouTube as your platform. So the first thing to say, there's absolutely no question that YouTube is where it's at if you want to successfully market any product online. More and more people are turning away from traditional websites, blog posts, that kind of thing to get the message out there when they're marketing a product. And video is definitely here to stay. You just have to look at Google search results, search for any term on Google and just check out how many videos come up in the search results as opposed to, links to blog posts and things of that nature. So video is definitely where it's at. And if you want to use video to market any product, YouTube is the place to be. Now, with that said, cracking the YouTube code can be a bit of a mystery, particularly if you don't understand exactly how YouTube works and what you need to do to be successful as a YouTube marketer. It's not that straightforward, and really you need to understand YouTube, how it works and what it takes to market a product successfully on YouTube. So how do you avoid doing YouTube and YouTube marketing the wrong way? Well, it's true to say that people have realized the power of YouTube, but unfortunately most YouTubers are doing it the wrong way and they're chasing the wrong metric. And what I mean by that is you can get paid money on YouTube for showing ads on your videos. And to do that, you have to qualify for YouTube monetization. Now, currently, to qualify for YouTube monetization, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and that's a big ask. Now, if you can get to that level, which is not the easiest thing in the world to do, the amount of money you get paid per 1,000 views is very, very little, and can be as little as $1. So, for example, if you wanted to make $100, you'd have to get 100,000 views on ads on your video. And to get 100,000 views is not something that's easy to do. So that's what I mean when I say people are chasing the wrong metric. So if chasing YouTube monetization is the wrong way to go and the wrong metric to be looking at, what is the right way to go? Well, the way I'm making money on YouTube and I'm making some quite reasonable income now is to sell products from my channel. And the best products to sell are not really products you create yourself, unless you want to sit for hours and weeks and create a product. The best way to go, in my opinion, is to use affiliate marketing and sell other people's products. And why is that the best way to go? Well, as I say, you don't need to create a product of your own. The company you're selling for, or the affiliate product you're selling, they take care of all the customer support, returns, anything of that nature. So there's very, very little hassle doing it this way. And using affiliate marketing and selling affiliate products, generally I'll sell digital products because they're easy to deliver, is the way to go. And as I say, you just get a commission for everything you sell just by recommending a product. If anyone buys through your special affiliate link, then you'll receive a commission for selling the product. However, just a word of caution here, you can't just dive in blindly and start selling products from your channel. There are consequences. And the consequences of doing this wrong is you can actually get warnings from YouTube if you directly sell a product and you're using the wrong method to do it. You don't want to upset YouTube, and in the worst case scenario you can even get your channel banned. So there's ways of doing this, and you really need to know what you're doing with this to get it right, to make sure you don't spend a lot of time building a channel and getting the channel banned by doing something wrong in the eyes of YouTube. And bear in mind, you are to a certain extent at the mercy of YouTube. So as I say, you don't want to upset YouTube. You need to think about this carefully and do it the correct way. So with all of that said, what's the solution? How can you have a successful YouTube channel without upsetting YouTube and potentially getting your channel banned? Well, my best advice is to get yourself a YouTube marketing course that works. And of course, when you do this, you need to avoid the BS, because unfortunately people have learned that you can make a lot of money on YouTube through marketing affiliate products. And they're just churning out stuff that really doesn't work. And to be quite honest with you, if you use some of the methods out there, you are ultimately going to get your channel banned. So again, with that said, let me tell you about what's working for me, my recommendation of something you can look at to check out if it's right for you guys. Okay, so I'm building my channel successfully, and I am seeing some quite nice success now using Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. It's a great course. It tells you everything you need to know about selling affiliate products on YouTube. And once you join the Academy, Paul takes you step by step in a whole host of modules through everything you'll need to know. Even if you're a complete YouTube newbie and you've got no idea where to start, the course is very comprehensive and Paul adds to it all of the time. It's always growing, it's always improving. And as I say, I've been using this now for quite some time and I'm seeing some very, very interesting results. Personally, I'm making commissions of, a couple $100 a time. And if you think back to what I was saying about, monetizing your channel with YouTube AdSense, YouTube's own monetization, just think how many views you'd need to get if you do it through the monetization, at a dollar per 1,000 views. To make $200, you'd have to get 200,000 views, and I don't know about you, that's not something I particularly want to do. Now, what I've done, I've put a link there, and it's simply fyf101.com/ATS, and if you follow that link, you'll find out more about the Affiliate Tube Success Academy, and make a decision for yourself, see if it's right for you. As I say, it comes with my recommendation because I'm using it successfully, but you guys make up your own mind. Go have a look, see if it's right for you, and if it is, join the team, and I'd look forward to seeing you there. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps, and if you found the video useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss a new video when I bring one out. As I always say, I really appreciate your support. I'm getting a lot of support from you guys, and the more you support the channel, the more it encourages me to keep making videos like this to help you and give you my best advice and tips. So that's it, guys. If you want to leave a comment, get involved in the conversation, leave a comment below. And look out for the next video where I'll give you more advice and tips on what's working for me and what you can do to be successful online. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching through to the end, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.